a really sweet deal because you get 3-star prices, but you can also use the 5-star facilities next door at the Intercontinental. So when you enter the hotel, you'll come up to the 8th floor. The 8th floor is where the reception is, and that's where you check in. Where the reception is, you also have what they call the express bar and cafe, but this is where you also have your breakfast. There's also the option for al fresco dining because there's a nice outdoor terrace where you have views of the surrounding area and St. George's Bay. On the 8th floor, you've also got a lounge area where you can chill out. There's a number of comfortable tables and seats. There's also plugs, so if you need to plug in your laptop or charge a device, there's the option to do so. There's a few board games to kind of keep one occupied if you're into board games. And there's also a tablet here. Not sure what the tablet's for, but it's there anyway. To be honest, if you're looking for a place that is clean, comfortable, and conveniently located, I've not stayed here myself, but from what I can see from my visit and what I can see from the consistently good reviews, that this is actually quite a decent place to stay at a reasonable price. And it's a really sweet deal because you get 3-star prices, but you can also use the 5-star facilities next door at the Intercontinental. The breakfast actually looks pretty decent. It's a small selection, but you do have your scrambled eggs, your boiled eggs, sausage, bacon. I'm sure if you have dietary requirements and require a vegan or vegetarian sausage, I'm sure you can actually request it. The staff are really friendly, even though I'm not staying here. Everyone said good morning. Everyone was really pleasant. To be honest, if I had to come back to St. Julians, I would opt to stay at the Holiday Inn. The rooms have a better layout than the Intercontinental, which is a 5-star hotel. This is a 3-star hotel. It's newer. I really like the open plan lounge reception area. Even though it's a small hotel, it's cute and cozy. Vending machine as well if you need some snacks. Everything's quite convenient, and what makes it a sweet deal is that you pay half the price at the Intercontinental, but you can also use the facilities at the Intercontinental. So although this hotel doesn't have a pool, you can go and use the indoor and outdoor pool at the Intercontinental. You can also use the sauna and bar facilities and the gym there. So for me, this is a really, really sweet deal because I'm not gonna lie, I had a little bit of a disappointing stay at the Intercontinental, and I would have rather had stayed here and then just been able to use the sauna and pool at the Intercontinental. This hotel does get fully booked because actually I did look into this hotel because it's got really, really good reviews, almost a 9 out of 10 on booking.com. At the time of making this review, I think it was 8.7 out of 10. However, it was fully booked. I reckon if you're coming here during peak times or during holidays like Easter and school breaks, you try and book as soon as possible. I'll leave links down in the description down below if you're interested. The rooms are on all the other floors, so from the 1st floor up until the 7th floor. Let's go and have a look at one of the rooms now. So I've been lucky enough to be shown a twin room with a balcony. What I can say is that the room is spotless. It smells absolutely fresh, like it's just been cleaned. You've got everything that you need in here. A good widescreen TV, kettle, tea making facilities. There's even a little sofa and a desk. The bathroom is a little bit compact, but it has everything that you need. So you've got 2 shaving sockets and then walk-in shower and then obviously the throne. What I do like is that there are the single-use plastics, so they're using the reusable plastic bottles, which is great. And also another good thing about this room is that it's got plenty of plug sockets. So you've got 2 by the bed, 2 by the sofa, and basically 2 by the TV. So everywhere that you would need access to, you've got plug sockets there. They are the UK plug sockets, which is perfect for me because I'm from the UK, but if you're from Europe, you'll need a travel adapter. As a guest here, you're also invited to try out the other dining options at the Intercontinental, obviously with a charge. This is the first time I've heard of a 3-star hotel where you can actually use 5-star facilities. So I think this is a really, 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 really sweet deal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you're interested about why I was a little bit disappointed with the stay at the Intercontinental, which is a 5-star hotel right next door to this hotel, check that review out next.